It matches my nails, guys. It matches my nails, and I'm just gonna keep tapping on it because it's so cute. Alright guys, welcome to haul number 3, which is technically, like I said, an unboxing. It's purchases from the Coach Cherry collection. So let me show you what I got. Also, if you guys want to see my jewelry haul and my blush and highlighter haul, those videos will be uploaded either before or after this one. So go ahead and just knock out all 3 of them right now. Like subscribe, come visit for my next haul, all that good jazz. So here we go. And this is the City Tote and Signature Canvas. So wow, the gloss is glossing. It's glossing. So we'll get rid of the paper. Here we go. Canvas tote. Let's take all this off. Come on. The other one came off so easy. Ton of paper on the inside. Take all that out. There's more. Alright guys. It is officially an ASMR video because I'm doing this, so that means that this is an ASMR video now. And you guys like my City Canvas tote bag. Super cute. Bag is huge. This is the light khaki multi heart cherry print. A nice size. It's got one pocket on the inside, and then usually when something just has one pocket right here, I do like my debit card and then like my favorite lip gloss, whatever gloss I'm wearing, and then a pack of gum. Got gold hardware. This little pink thing here. Was I the only one that didn't buy the cherry bag, the little cherry bag clip? Let me pull it up really quick. When I tell you guys that I kept looking at this like, damn, I should get the charm. Like, it would just be super cute to get that. But it's $95. And I was like, I can't do that. That's another purse. You know what I'm saying? That is a whole another purse purchase. Like, it's cute, but it's not $95 cute. So like I said, I only got 2 items. So I got the big tote with the pink cherries, and then I did get this one. I'm more excited about this one. Super excited because you guys know red's my favorite color. So this one, I was like, I have to get the red one. So cute. Snatch this off. So let's take a look at the bag. It feels so nice. Oh, it feels so nice. And then you've got the cherries that are shaped like hearts, but the red ones, and then the bag is the light pink color. And then I just love that the zipper is red, and then you've got a gold zipper, gold accessories. It's only got one zipper though. I kind of don't like that. I kind of wanted to have like 2 zippers so that like you could zip them up and then they meet like up here. No, it's just the one zipper. But opens up like that. Damn. We're gonna have to get some scissors. Okay. And then this is just a strap that you put here for the purse, because this is a crossbody. This is called the Eva Phone crossbody with hearts cherry prints. So in here, opens like that. You do get a good amount of space in there. It's like burgundy on the inside, and then you've got like little spaces in the back, like if you were gonna put like a debit card or ID or something. But that's about it as far as compartments go. But I feel like you could get a good amount of stuff in there. Yeah. So there we have it, guys. I think I am in love with this one. Love, 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 love. I like how compact it is. It's so pretty. If I had to pick one out of the two, like, I don't know, I feel like I might recommend this one, guys. This was $100. The crossbody was $100, and then the tote was $149. So let me know, did you guys get anything from the collection? Are you gonna purchase more from the collection? Or let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. Be sure to like this video if you like the Coach bags, if you like the cherry print, all that jazz. And then make sure you check out my other 2 videos. I got the jewelry haul, and then I got the makeup haul. Give me like, subscribe for my next haul, because I'm waiting for my Fenty package. Usually FedEx will leave my Fenty, usually FedEx will leave my Fenty stuff here, but for some reason today he only tried one time. I didn't get to it, and then he went and took it to like a drop-off place, so now I have to go pick it up, and I'm like super annoyed because I wanted to record that haul too. But I did pick up some game day items from Fenty, and I also picked up the new lip glosses. Not the lip glosses. Are they lip glosses? I think they're lipsticks. The new lipsticks some new lipsticks dropped today. So see you guys in my next one.